So it was there for a long time, so many people might be knowing how to use DAX. If they know how to use VLOOKUP in Excel, they surely know some basics of DAX. So what is DAX? Data Analysis Expression. So today I'm going to load 3 Excel files and 2 CVS files and then work with DAX formula. So to work with DAX formula, first I have to load my data. So as soon as all the 5 files, when I load 1, 2, 3 orders, people and return, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to PinCodeGeo where zone is missing. I'm going to drop records from city tire and then check the relationship in the model. This is modeling. In the model, and check all the relationship is good. As soon as you upload data, Power BI automatically detects the relationship between the tables, but it's better to check it out again. 90% of the time they are right, but 10% of the time sometimes it happens it is wrong. So I always check the relationship so that later on I should not get some images wrong. So this is how I work. So let me load the second. This will load fast, and then using DAX formula I'm going to create a column called net units as the difference between units and cancelled units. So this is how I'm going to work today, and let me load the third one. Sales drop. So then I'm going to rename the city to city old and create a new column called city. Then I'm going to create a field called order day of week and find out the day of the week. So I have done with Excel files. Now I'm going to CSV file. Here CSV file I have 3 Excel file and 2 CSV file I'll be loading today. Now one last CSV file I have to load. Then let me continue. Then after creating order day of the week formula, then I am going to create order week start DAX formula. And my week will be starting from, so let me begin. I think all the data has been loaded. Now I'm going to go to transform data. So when I go to the transform data, now I am in order, I am in Power Query editor. So this is where all the cleaning happens. Here I see column 1 and column 2, so I don't like that. So I'm going to use first row as headers. Then let me see this also. I am going to do use first row as headers. Pin code, let me see, this looks okay. Okay, this looks okay. Okay, here again I'm going to use first rows as headers. So all the thing that I was supposed to do, that I did, clean somewhat data. Now I'm going to go to PinCodeGeo So let me see. Okay, here I see some blank thing. So okay, now I don't have blank. Any blank is there, so I deleted all the blank stuff. So now in zone I don't have any blank columns. Now here, let me see if there is any blank in this. I don't see any blank. I will still click remove empty. So I cleaned this. I'm going to go to PinCodeGeo and let me see what is the situation. Here also I'm going to remove empty, if at all there is there. And now I'm going to click close and apply. So now I'm going to go here, model view. So here let me see the relationship, all the relationship is correct or wrong, because I love to review stuff so that later on I don't have problems with these stuff. Let me move it closer so that I can see it in one screen. Okay students, here I can enlarge, and if I want to enlarge small, so whatever you can do it, and you can, I do it this way, you can do any way which is comfortable to you. So now I have all the thing in one screen. Let me see what is going on here. Let me see how they are connected. City and city looks good. And this, let me see, pin code and pin code looks good. What? See what is happening. I think I didn't load one of the. Okay, where is mine? Okay, model raw product I didn't load. I think model raw product CSV didn't load. Yeah, I think I did not load model raw products. So here, that is CSV file. I think I forgot to load this. Okay, so here is the thing which I had forgotten to load. That's why there was one missing table. So I was wondering, why can't I see the one table? Because I forgot to load one of the table, right? Okay, now here, let me see. Here comes the table. Let me move it here so that I can see it properly. Now let me see. Oh come on, let me see the relationship product ID and product ID. So now everything looks good and it's okay. All the relationship looks, let me see, region and G region looks good. Okay, now let me go to my data view. So let me have a look at this table, sales raw. Here units sold, this is the units sold and cancelled units. I have to create a column one more here as a net sales. That will be units sold minus cancelled units will be net units. So I'm going to create a calculated column here. So there is a difference between calculated column and calculated measure. Calculated measure does not increase the size of your file, but calculated column will increase the size of the file. Okay, so calculated table also will increase the size of the file, but calculated measure will not increase the size of the file. So this is the difference between these three. Now I'm going to create a new column. So new column is net units, net units units is equal to what count row it comes. Okay, units minus cancelled units. So this is the formula. This is the DAX function. This raw sales is the name of the table and units is the name of the column. So units minus cancelled units will give you net units. This is the formula. So now next, I'm going to this table. Here I'm going to create a new column. And where is new column? Here I'm going to create. I'm going to create and then I'm going to sort ascending. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new column. New column. The name of the new column is city. C-I-T-Y, city, okay, is equal to, I'm going to use the left function. And I'm going to use this. And I'm going to put a comma. Then I'm going to use one more function, that is find function. Find no, this is not coming up. Why? I don't know. It came out. So here I'm creating a new column using two functions, that is left. Okay, something is wrong. See, this is what I'm telling you. Even after practicing so much DAX, I made a mistake. Now the search text provided to function could not find in the given text. So you couldn't find comma. Why couldn't you find comma? Okay, you can find. Okay, let me redo it. Okay. See, this is what happens. Okay. See this. Okay, here's the point. It was a small mistake. I gave one space here. I gave one space here. I should not have given the space between this comma. So that is where mistake I made. So that may give me the Power BI throw error to me, because after comma there is no toe space, so I put extra space here. That's why it gave me error. So DAX is not easy. Even a small space or a small comma will give you error. Okay, now again this almost same type of formula I'm going to use in, where is my PinCodeGeo? Here I'm going to use so I'm going to rename this to city old, CITY, no, OLD, city old. I'm okay. Wait, okay, it takes some time to read. So I named this to city old. Now I'm going to create a new column here. I'm going to create a new column which will be just city, not old city. CITY city is equal to, as usual in the last, I'm going to use my left function, and then I'm going to use PinCodeGeo city old, and then I'm going to put comma, and I'm going to click. Now I'm going to use find function. Find function. Okay, this time I learnt a lesson that I should not put extra space here. So this time I did the right way. I did not give extra space here. So this worked out in the first place only. So this is how you work. I created a new column using left and find function. And this is how DAX functions. The same thing can be worked out differently. I will first complete all my DAX function. So let me see where I have that sales raw. I think ordered. So here I have an order date. Okay, I'm going to let me see. I'm going to change the here only I can change it. What am I going to do? Okay, I'm going to change the date format. So now what I'm going to do is and here I'm going to click a new column. In new column, what I'm going to do is order day of the week. ORDER, order day, order day of the week is equal to so now you have order day. So now I'm going to create a new column, one more new column. Here I'm going to write week star, oh god, start date. So I'm going to use format function and then sales raw order date minus weekday sales raw order date comma 2 close plus no not equal plus 1 comma dash dd So this is how you get week start date. The week start date is, so this is how you perform all the DAX function. So these are all for today. Thank you for watching.